Many nonprofits and organizations are frustrated right now. They're asking, why are grants getting harder to win? The truth is, the grant world has changed. Most organizations are still operating with old expectations in a brand new environment. Funders aren't just looking for passion or good intentions anymore. They are looking for structure and operational readiness. Why the shift? Because funders themselves are under pressure to prove impact and justify every investment they make. Many organizations are still operating emotionally, while funders are now evaluating every application strategically. Today, they're silently asking, is this organization structured properly? Do they have governance? Can they sustain growth? They want to know, what specific problem are you solving, and how exactly are you measuring your progress? Many struggle because they are mission-driven but not operationally prepared. Passion alone does not create sustainability. Weak documentation, financial disorganization, and a lack of systems are the biggest barriers to your funding success. We are in a new era. Funders value long-term stability, community collaboration, and data-driven outcomes. So what should you do now? First, strengthen your structure, build your governance and your operational systems. Next, clarify your mission. Define exactly who you serve and build credibility publicly through professional communication. The organizations winning grants consistently aren't always the biggest. They are the most prepared and organized. Because in this new environment, funding follows credibility, readiness, and measurable impact. Your mission deserves more than just passion. It deserves the preparation and strategy to make a lasting difference. If you're ready to build a grant-ready organization, comment "ready" below or click the link to start your assessment. At Bridge Builders Business Services, we help you structure and position your vision for the growth you deserve.